how to sign up free in HeyGen. In this video, we are going to learn how to sign up your account in HeyGen. First, open any browser. Here I am using Google Chrome. Now, on the top, click on the search bar and type in HeyGen. Scroll down a little bit until you see this logo. Click on it. This is the homepage of HeyGen website, and here you can see this get started for free button, or you can also see the sign up for free on the top right corner. Click on that button. Now you will be reloaded on the new tab. After that, on this field you have to type in your email address. After you type in your email address, click on the send code option. Now open your Gmail account. You will receive a verification code like this. Simply copy this code. Now paste it here. After that, click on this verify button. Now you have to type in your new password. You can also use the password that is recommended by the Google itself. After that, make sure to click on this box to consent to the HeyGen's terms of services. And after you click on that box, you'll see this create account button option. Click on it. After you create an account, you will see different price planning. Click on the option that you require. Here I'm using this free option. So this is how you can create an account freely on HeyGen. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.